Lacoste.
Hi there, I'm Karen, and I help decorate the trees here at Lacoste. They're fabulous. It takes a little bit of time to get there, but with some planning, you can have a gorgeous tree at home too. One thing people don't think about are large items. You think they go on the mantle or they go on the table, but really you can put them in your tree, and they're really very, very cool. And people will be wowed when they walk in that you even thought to do it. So first of all, stand back and look at your tree and decide where your piece should go. Now this is a medium-sized piece. You want to balance your tree out with small, medium, and large items. And you want to place them in such a way that the tree is balanced when you stand back and look at it. Your big items aren't held together, your small items aren't held together. So let's start with the owl here. Now, we have a space in the tree here that I've created ahead of time where we can put him, use floral wire, and wrap it in around the branch, but the actual metal or the main branch if you have a real tree, not the small ones, because they will pull off and you might fall out. If it's breakable, that's no good. So find a sturdy space on your item and wrap it around the strong point of the tree. Creates a little bit of balance with the flower, and it's really, really spectacular to look at. I love this guy. Little guys are a great way to pop in where you have created your loop. And that makes the ribbon look seamless. It becomes part of an entire little story moment within your tree. Now, we have these fabulous bells this year. It's classic Christmas. I'm gonna put it on my wreath. You can put them in your tree. I would take this entire burlap area up into the tree with my wire. I'm cheating a little bit because we're videoing. You wrap the wire around a strong branch, the middle, or even the middle of the tree, as I mentioned. And then you just tuck the bells in. Look at that. A real statement piece in your tree, and something spectacular and something that unexpected, which is always fun. Enjoy.